Shiba Inu coin holders, I've got some breaking news for you guys. Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black and I have another video for you. Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu and where we headed here. There's some big burns happening and some big whales moving big amounts of Shiba. That's a lot of big, but this is the cryptocurrency space, guys. A lot of big things happen. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys. So first things first, we're looking at the Shiba Inu price here. We are respecting the trend line off of this channel we've been trading in since basically the inception of Shiba Inu. And we are bouncing very nicely. We see a green dot on volume for market cipher down here. This is usually a signal that we are bottoming out. That is a buy signal. Now, I'm not saying there's a guaranteed that we're going to get a bounce here, but based on market cipher, it's a signal. It's an indicator. We're seeing these types of signals flashing basically across the board on a lot of altcoins right now, especially on the daily time frame. If you look at the weekly, you can see as well that we still have money flow coming down. We have a red dot on market cipher that's saying that it's a sell signal, but I will be honest with you guys, when you look at market cipher, the green dots on volume kind of supersedes the red dot on the momentum wave, in my opinion. Some market cipher analysts will say different, but in my opinion, that's what I believe, especially on the daily time frame. We are getting a little bit of confusion here in the market as well. We're kind of waiting for Bitcoin to make a decision here where we're going. But as long as Bitcoin chops around where we're at right here, I do expect Bitcoin dominance to break down, and I do expect that we probably start heading up sooner rather than later for Shiba Inu. And I do think that this is probably a buy the dip opportunity, guys. And if you believe that this is a buy the dip opportunity, then please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below, guys. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-up bonus as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. No other exchange is offering this. I've been saying this in all my videos because this is a limited time offer. I want you guys to take advantage of it. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is sitting at rank 14, up about 3% in the past 7 days, up about 1% in the past 24 hours. We're looking at a $12.91 billion market cap. But guys, I'm going to be honest with you. We are seeing some big news. Shiba Inu burn rate spikes 2,207%. What is going on? Bazinga says. Oh man, this is a nightmare, this website. Look at all these ads. Shiba Inu burnt 20.8 million Shiba Inu coins in the past 24 hours, pushing the burn rate higher by 2,217%. Also, Shiba Inu whale transactions spiked alongside 2.9 trillion Shiba being transferred from a Turkish exchange to an unknown wallet, guys. This is signal. This is signal. I like to see this. You know, if you've been watching the Crypto Report for a while now, you know that I love token burns. Token burns are very good. It draws speculation to the project. It creates supply and demand. It creates higher demand because the supply comes down. It makes the asset more scarce. When you're talking about literally 589 trillion Shiba Inu, you want to see some of those coins get burnt. And Shiba Inu is doing a great job. They're burning a lot of coins, and some big whales are starting to accumulate. And I think that those whales are probably doing the right thing here because, in my opinion, one of two things happens, all right? So, when you look at Bitcoin dominance, you see that we are topping out here. We broke down out of this 2-year long rising wedge. We came back up and tested the breakout. Now it's a lower high, a bearish signal, and we're starting to break down. If you look at market cipher, we're barely, if you can see this, barely, tiny, the money flow is starting to come out. It's turning more bearish. We have a sell signal on the momentum wave. It looks bearish. It looks like altcoin season should be happening basically now. And I do think that that is one of the scenarios that happens here. Now, what happens if Bitcoin breaks down from here? Let's look at Bitcoin really quick. Let's see Bitcoin USD. If Bitcoin breaks down from here, in my opinion, around the level of about 88,000, we'll draw a little bit of a line here. If we come down to like say 88,000 or maybe even a little bit lower to 85,000, I think in that price range right there, I we'll start to say, okay, we're probably getting set up for a longer consolidation period for altcoins. So I don't want to see the breakdown below, even though that will probably move the entire bull market much further down into 2025, probably Q4 2025. We probably have a crazier altcoin season, but in the short term, alts will get hit pretty hard, because I do believe that if Bitcoin does break down, we see candle closures below 88, 85,000, and we get below in the low 80s, we're probably going to be trading around there for a few months, guys, for a significant amount of time. And when that happens, I think a lot of these altcoins are going to dump. And then when you look back at BTC.D, guys, like, if we see that breakdown, we probably see us come down a little bit, and then probably come back up and test the breakdown of this 2-year long rising wedge, which will make Bitcoin go up to probably 60% Bitcoin dominance level. Now, I do think that the probability of the latter happening to be less likely than us breaking down right here and Bitcoin holding, but I want to talk about invalidations. So I do think that, in my opinion, we should be getting prepared to see Shiba Inu make a little bit of a move here into Q1 of 2025, probably in the halfway through January. If January is not a bloodbath, then we should be expecting a large move. Bitcoin will make a decision, and we should see a nice bounce from here. I think that if we do see that bounce from here in January, then I do expect Shiba Inu to test this cycle's high and then previous cycle high at about 4605. So what does that mean? That means we need to be paying very close attention to Bitcoin dominance. Where is Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin going to hold these levels? And if it holds them, then we should be bullish on Shiba Inu and altcoins. That's my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below, guys. Do you think that Shiba Inu is going to be heading to new highs now? Or are we setting up for a much longer bull market, and we'll probably see some blood until the end of 2025? I'm very, very curious on what you guys think. I'm leaning more towards right now that we start to make our move to the upside into Q1 of 2025. But if Bitcoin doesn't hold, well, then we're probably kicking that can further down the road. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and check out those awesome links down below. A $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. And go follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram and Twitter. I'm giving away $1,000 if I can reach 1,000 followers on Instagram in the next 24 hours. I want to give back some money to you guys. That's all I got. I'll see you in the next one.